Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to set the fingerprint lock in this device. So before set the fingerprint lock, first we need to set a screen lock. So in this device I already set one screen lock. You can see when swipe up they are asking for the screen lock. So let me show you how to set the fingerprint lock. For this, go to settings, then scroll down, tap on security and privacy, then scroll down, tap on device unlock. Then scroll down. Here you can see the option fingerprint. Tap on this one. So here we need to enter our current screen password. Then tap on setup. So here we need to start the fingerprint scanning. Tap on this one. Now you can see this is the fingerprint scanner. So first we need to touch the scanner with the finger. So when the scanner detect your fingerprint, then you will feel one vibration. Then lift the finger. Again touch. When you feel the vibration means the fingerprint scanner detect your fingerprint. Then you lift, again touch, like this way. You can see. Continue this procedure to complete this picture. Yeah, it's done. Then tap on done. Now let me show you how it works. Now you can see finger 1 is added. So let me show you how it works. Lock the device. Now you can see the fingerprint scanner is enabled. Touch the scanner. It is unlocked. Again I will show you. Touch the fingerprint scanner, it is unlocked. So simply in this way you can set the fingerprint lock in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.